Hello everyone, this is Flaming Profits here with another video. Today I will be talking about my $8,000 Robinhood portfolio. It's actually very close to being $9,000, and it has taken me over a year to build this portfolio. Right now I'm looking at 9 to 10% total return for the year. Normally good investors aim to reach 20% per year return on their investment. That's considered really good. So I'm slowly making my way to that amount per year. But I hope you guys learn a lot from this video. I'm going to be discussing things that I can improve, as well as things that I feel like I'm doing right, so that you guys can learn from my experience. So yeah, right now the total value of my investing portfolio is $8,619. My portfolio has had a lot of ups and downs, but as you can see, it's mostly an uptrending pattern that you can see there. I do have times where the portfolio goes down, but the second time it was because of a big mistake I made with Facebook. I had bought too many shares quickly, and they had lowered a lot until I eventually recovered. But that's really good that I maintained my position and continued adding shares when it was low, so that I was eventually able to recover from that. It was a good learning experience, even though it did feel really stressful at times. But yeah, as you can see, it dropped all the way down to 5,600. That was kind of the lowest. But eventually they had their earnings and it was really good, and I decided to sell for only about $110, $100 to $150 profit on that. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys a couple of stocks that I have. This is NEO. I'm currently struggling with that one right now. I'm wanting to get rid of it, but as you can see, it's not a very good stock at all. The company is actually not profitable at all. I would recommend you guys stay away from new companies that recently launched their IPO. It was a very risky investment, and I'm still back holding this investment, but I'm working on a strategy to be able to sell it at a profit. I usually never sell my stocks at a loss. I always wait until they recover or add more shares as they progress upwards. This is GE. That's a very interesting stock. It's very low right now, but it's starting to recover a little bit. I also am getting back into Facebook. I bought one share right now recently. They have huge opportunities in the future, and right now they haven't had a good time, especially because of a lot of news, but they're starting to recover. It's a very good stock. This is Nvidia. Very good stock right now, very good buying opportunity. It has dropped almost 50%, and that's a very good opportunity for you to buy right now. There's going to be huge demand in the future for that company. And right now you can see the total dollar values that I'm up or down on those stocks there. Activation, this is another very good opportunity, and it's not that expensive. It dropped 50% from its highest peak, as you can see with the candle charts. I would highly recommend you guys start investing in ATVI as it starts to uptrend from a recent huge decline. If you guys want to learn about my focus on my portfolio, I have more videos about this, but basically I've been focusing heavily on dividends. I've bought every single stock in the Dividend Aristocrats and Dividend Kings. If you haven't heard of these terms, I highly recommend you watch my previous video. I go into depth on why I think investing in Dividend Aristocrats and Dividend Kings is such a great idea for all of you. I'm slowly making improvements to my portfolio, and I'm hoping that someday I'll be able to reach that 20% annual return for my investments. As you can see here, my dividends, those are pending right now, but due to me investing in Dividend Kings and Dividend Aristocrats, I tend to have a lot of dividends. And I'm also going to get into monthly dividend paying stocks as well, even though they're a little bit more risky, but I'll have a small portion of my portfolio allocated for that. But yeah, those are all my dividends. They seem small in amount, but over time they add up to huge quantities, and it's so worth it if you keep on building this. Over time it makes a huge difference. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a lot of videos that I try to have a lot of lessons in, that maybe you guys can take and learn from that as well. So yeah, thank you all so much. Have a nice day.